try to circle that end first. Turn in there. And again, when you get back down towards F, picking up over F. Down in this corner here. Yep, so sit in trot, outside leg back. That's it, steady. Good. Keep that canter as it is. Little kick there. Little kick. Good. Just trot there for a second. And and if you change the rein, E across to B. Yeah. We'll be right when you change the rein. And then going left. Turn in there. And then whenever you're ready, picking up a trot. So trot in there first. Keep that trot going for a second. Sit back in your saddle a little bit more. That in first. Turn. Good, and go long. That's right as it is, down nice and tall. Little kick there. Good. Heels down. Good, and in your next corner, bringing it back to a trot. So rising, keep that trot going, little kick. Little kick. Good.
Come on.
And bringing him back to a trot again. Good. And there. You just change the rein and walk. You go F up towards H. I don't think you will. You wanna go? I know. Only 50. And if we just do one more canter and then we'll call it off. Nice and tilted back in the saddle. Good, and in your next corner, picking up one more canter. So sitting trot, outside leg back. Good there. Little kick, 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 kick. Big kick. Good. Keep it going. Little kick again. Good. And then when you get back up to H, so kick there, kick, kick, kick. Good, and when you get up to H, bringing him back to a trot. So trot in there, rise, rise. Good, and walk in. And we'll call him off there.